and welcome to Storm in a Seascape. This week class is something that people have asked me about for so long. It's a kind of mini version of one of the best-selling online classes and in-person workshops that I have ever introduced, and that was called Calm Before the Storm. And it was a whopping, and you'll find it in the Art Academies, a whopping 60 by 80 big dramatic stormy seascape. So this is a bite-sized version. This class is perfect for total beginners. If you have never painted before, ever, but would love to try it, but have been a wee bit resistant because you don't know how, you don't have all the kit, you've no idea where to start. And if you think oil painting is for seasoned artist, then you are entirely wrong. Oil paints are the friendliest medium that you can find. And in this class, I am using water mixable oils, which negates the need for solvents. You're not getting a stinking smell throughout the house. It dries much quicker, really easy cleanup. And you have produced a lovely wee painting in an hour. The techniques that you're going to learn in this class are my signature techniques. So, as far as I'm concerned, or as far as I've been aware, I am the only person who paints skies like this that I know of. It's dead easy. It is absolutely so easy. The amount of people that I have taught this technique to, this signature technique, is probably into the hundreds now. And it's so easy and it's so effective. And if you can rub a canvas, then you can paint really dramatic skies, really evocative, dramatic skies, gorgeous. What else do I need to tell you about this class? It's step by step. You can watch it anytime. You have lifetime access. As long as the Art Academy is alive, then you have lifetime access to this class. You can stop and start whenever you like. You can paint whenever you like. You can take it anywhere you like. As long as you have internet access, then you can access your workshop and class whenever you like, as often as you like. You can do a step and you can pause it and you can go and make tea. You can go away for a week. You can go away for a couple of years and you'll come back and it's still there for you. You can watch as often as you like. Now, I want to mention this is the perfect class also for someone who wants to find out a wee bit more about oils. You don't want to invest a lot of time, you don't want to invest a lot of money, but you want to try oils to see if they're for you. So if you have never used oils before and you're a seasoned artist, this is the perfect first step. It lets you get a feel for the oils and what they do, and it's minimal start-up kit. So basically, I am going to be using just 4 tubes of paint. These are water mixable oils, but if you've got traditional oils, they will work just exactly the same. These are the new gear and that I have been trialing, and they're fantastic. And it really answers a lot of questions for artists that I work with who love oils or would love to try them, but have been put off with the smell and the cleanup and the expense. So water mixable oils are fantastic. When you sign up to this class, you will get a list of the materials that I'm using. So we're basically working in 4 colours and 2 brushes. Now, you can use even just a normal wee watercolour brush if you've got pointy brushes, but I like the wee square edge brushes, and just a bog standard emulsion brush, a 1.5 inch I've got for this size of painting. What else do I need to tell you? Everything is listed in your welcome, your startup module, which you'll find here. The list of materials, the links to the materials that I'm using. Please feel free to use whatever blues, whatever sky colours you like. You could do it in shades of grey. You can do it in oranges and reds, which is glorious, glorious sunset colours. Or you could just follow me and go for the mean and moody. The mean and moody is always very, very popular, especially in the west coast of Scotland. There is about an hour's worth of demos here, real-time demos. You're in the studio with me. The demos are not, the tutorials and demos are not edited, folks. You're there with me. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing without any tweaking, any clever editing, any super polished. You are there with me. I want this experience to feel that you are in the studio with me. That's really, really important to me. So many artists film these demos, these tutorials, and they're all so highly edited. Bits come out that they don't want you to see. They polish up the bits that look great. That helps no one. I'm not going on my soapbox, but let me just show you the painting. That's it. The one that we are, I managed to get red paint in this clean frame. Um, this is just a frame I have in the studio, and that's the wee painting that I did for this tutorial. Now, let me just whip that out there. There you go. I am working in a wee 20 by 20 canvas. You can work in any size. You can use canvas boards. You can use canvas paper. You can use acrylic painting paper for this as well. And you can do whatever size. Here's a slightly bigger one. So you can see that it works with whatever you've got, whatever size. But this is a lovely wee size to get started with. If you're totally new, then this is the perfect size. And you could have this done in less than an hour. It's £35 just now for instant access to all of these materials. And if you want a wee bit of support in the community, please join our private Facebook group, The Common Room, and you'll find over 400 art lovers in there who would love to see what you're doing and will give you that peer support. Please do scroll down to see any questions that needs answered. But if you're unsure of anything at all, just drop me an email and I will answer between office hours, in office hours, if you've got any issues at all. But it is a brilliant, brilliant starter introduction to oils. It's a great, you can tweak whatever island you like. I have put in a wee Arran for the west coast of Scotland. You can slip in a nail, you can slip in anything you like. You can have a headland. This is totally, totally flexible for you to go off-piste and put whatever you want in there. Change your sky, design your sea. This is all about just using minimal materials, minimal mess, and just enjoying getting to grips with oils. So I hope you enjoy it, folks. And please hop over to the Facebook group and join and let us know how you're getting on.